Welcome to day 71 of 1000 Days Building a Business with Ocean series. Today, I've been coding the Yearbook app and I've added a new feature inside the Yearbook editor where you can now see the collaborators and easily invite a collaborator in-app or by sharing a link to download the app and then become a collaborator, and it is turning out to be great. It took me hours to get it done and I've got some personal things done as well. Today I've created some videos and posts using AI and they didn't come out as I expected. That's it for today. See you in day 71.